Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I've already prepped my tips off camera and this set is going to be so easy, so quick. You only need a few items. First thing we need is blooming gel. I got this on Amazon. I'll have all the products linked in the bio. Next we need any gel polish of your choice. I'm using the Be Glam polish in the shade Hollywood. Then next you need only two polygels, Nude and Clear. I've never used a slip solution that comes in this bottle. It's a brush-on slip solution, so I'm excited to see how that works. I've also got my new gel brush and my cuticle oil, which smells so nice. Most of these products came from the 𝐻𝐪𝐻𝐬𝐬 giveaway kit. If you haven't watched that video yet, be sure to check it out. I'll have that video linked in the cards. This is my first time using any 𝐻𝐻𝐬𝐬 products, so I'll definitely let you guys know how I felt using them and how well they work together. So first things first, I'm gonna apply my base coat all over my nails and cure it. Apply the blooming gel all over the tips of your nail. Don't cure it yet, just leave it wet so you can do the design. But first, guys, have a look at this. I've never used a base coat that's this good because I didn't blend the tips in with my natural nail, so it was a bit bulky at the top. But as I've applied the base coat, can you see how it just blended in with my natural nail? Like you literally can't, well, I can't really see a difference. Even in real life, when I was doing my nails, like it just felt like one long extension. Like I couldn't feel the dent. It was just amazing. Sorry, I just had to gush over that base coat. I love it. I love it. My days, I'm so excited. This is my first time ever doing water decals. If you haven't watched my nail haul, I'll have it linked in the cards as well, so you can see the nail art kit that I got these beautiful decals from. So when picking out which flowers I was going to use, I wanted to get one with a clear rose design because I thought the lines in the patterns of the rose matches the lines in the Croc design, the Croc print. Do you guys see the vision? Do you understand what I mean? Because I didn't want to get like any random flower. I wanted it to have a similar sort of, you know, vibe. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do a video dedicated to water decals, a full tutorial, a how-to and stuff like that. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. I didn't plan to talk this much in this video, guys. So I'm just going to let you enjoy some music and the nails, and I'll see you towards the end. By the way, before I go, I just want to say, because this is my first time doing water decals and doing Croc print, I realized that I wasn't in frame for a few shots. So if some parts of the video were a little bit choppy or, you know, edited a little funny, that's because when I was editing, I must have realized I wasn't in frame and I had to get rid of those clips. Okay, and lastly, before I go, I know I said I was going to leave, but before I go, I just want to let you guys know how to remove the water decals if they hang off the side of the tip. All you need to do is get some acetone on your brush and sort of just rub it on the side of your tip, and then it just sort of melts off, as you can see. That's all. It's super easy, guys. I was so shocked at how easy it was. These glitters came in the 𝐻𝐻𝐬𝐬 kit that the polygels came in. If you haven't watched the unboxing, you need to watch it. Anyways, I love everything that came in the kit. I gave this kit a 10 out of 10. You have everything you need in the kit for nail art. The nude matches my skin perfectly. And also, the slip solution was amazing to use. It really does what it says on the bottle. It is a real slip solution. Like, it made the polygel move like butter. Like, it was just so, for lack of a better word, so yummy to work with. It was so soft and so nice, not in a bad way. It made the polygel so easy to work with. And yeah, I love everything about this kit. The clear polygel, as you'll see later on, is very clear. It doesn't turn yellow when you cure it. It's very nice. Guys, I don't have anything bad to say about this kit. The only thing I will probably say is I wish the tubes were bigger just so I'd have a bit more, but that's about it. SXC did an amazing job with this kit. I'll definitely be looking into getting more of their products. And I'm so grateful, so happy that I won the giveaway. Guys, you have no idea how excited I am. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the nails. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you towards the end, guys.
Hey, yo, watch out what you got. Gotta try, this shit come easy when I'm with my slimes. Yeah, pop a bean, keep my system clean. Been drinking water, be like kerosene. Caught you busting a move. I'm just sauce acting stupid. Love just hide on in Cupid. I'm with my dogs, yeah, we grooving. 4 on the floor, that's a drug I'm abusing. I'll show you the grass is green or whatever it is your feet on. Music pumping out the speakers. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't stop it. Get this feeling. Stop cheesing when I'm off the speed. Only real ones know what I'm about. Yeah. And you know that know if I'ma make it out alive. I got my friends, got my lady right by my side. Always something, yeah, you know the vibe. Speaker bumping got me feeling like
leave the window open, my bones do shake. be ready for the summer. I just wanna be ready for the summer. I just wanna be ready for the summer. Summer, summer, summer. I just wanna be ready for the summer. I just wanna be ready for the summer. I just wanna be ready for the summer. Summer, 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 summer.
Hey man, but now you don't like us out yet. Hey man, go ahead and try me, go ahead and try me, go ahead and try me, go ahead and try me.
So friends, I'm so in love with these nails. They're so pretty. I genuinely think they're the prettiest nails I've done so far. They came out so beautifully, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched it all the way to the end, love you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, friend. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.